Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm really happy to see you all here. Today I've brought a special update for those who have already purchased this add-on. Now every animation will be displayed along with its thumbnail, which makes selecting animations much easier. I've also added many more animations. Earlier there were around 1,600, and now the total has reached 2,000 animations. This video is going to be a little longer because I have personally checked each animation category one by one. All of these animations can be retargeted easily with Auto Rig Pro, Rigify, Mixamo rigs, and even your own custom rigs. I've already demonstrated this in my previous videos. And if you want to rig a character using these animations, I've explained that method as well at the end of this video. I do want to mention one thing with a bit of regret. Many customers have already purchased this add-on, but haven't left any reviews yet. Your feedback really helps and would be greatly appreciated. This add-on is available on Gumroad and Flipped Normals. All the links are provided in the description below. The price remains the same. I have not increased it, and it will stay unchanged until the next update.